discussed. So n equivalent to 2 power 5 into 3 power 4 into 5 power 3. 2 power 5 into 3 power 4 into 5 power 3. What is the question? Factors which are perfect squares. Factors which are perfect squares. Factors which are perfect squares. Perfect square means divide the power by 2 and add 1. Do not worry about decimal. 5 by 2, 2 plus 1. 4 by 2, 2 plus 1. 3 by 2, 1 plus 1. 3 by 2, 1 plus 1. 3 into 3 into 2. 9 2s are 18. 3 into 3 into 2, which is 18. Divide the power by 2. Divide the power by 2 and add 1. Factors which are perfect squares. Similarly, factors which are perfect cubes. Factors which are perfect cubes. Divide the power by 3 and add 1. 5 by 3, 1 plus 1. 4 by 3, 1 plus 1. Ignore decimal. 3 by 3, 1 plus 1. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Perfect square. What is the concept? Divide the power by 2 and add 1. Divide the power by 2 and add 1. Divide the power by 2 and add 1. What is the concept for perfect cube? Divide the power by 3 and add 1. Divide the power by 3 and add 1. Divide the power by 3 and add 1. Till here, I hope the concept it is clear. Unit digit it is 0. Now, see here, question is n equivalent to 2 power 5 into 3 power 4 into 5 power 3. Factors where whose unit digit it is 0. Factor where whose unit digit it is 0. Factors where whose unit digit it is 0. Whose unit digit it is 0. Now listen carefully. What is the smallest natural number whose unit digit it is 0? 0 cannot be taken. 10 can be taken. Next number 20. Next number 30. Next number 40. 100 unit digit 0. 1000 unit digit 0. Factor whose unit digit is 0 is nothing but a number which is a multiple of 10. Which is a multiple of 10. Are you all with me? Which is a multiple of 10. 10 can be written as 2 into 5. Remaining it is 2 power 4. Remaining it is 3 power 4. Remaining it will be 5 power 2. These are the numbers which are getting multiplied by 10. Any number when you multiply by 10, unit digit will be 0. Any number when you multiply by 10, unit digit will be 0. Are you all with me? Unit digit will be 0. Now, these are the numbers which are getting multiplied. So, answer will be 5 into 5 into 3. 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75. So totally, how many factors are there whose unit digit it is 0? 75 factors are there. How many factors are there whose unit digit it is 0? 75 factors are there. I hope the idea it is clear. Factor whose unit digit it is 0. Similarly, if the question is factors whose last two digits are 0 0. Factors whose last two digits are 0 0. Factors whose last two digits are 0 0. What we have to do is, in a natural number, what is the smallest natural number where the last two digits are 0 0? 100 is one number. 200 is another number. 300 is another number. All these numbers are multiples of 100. All these numbers are multiples of 100. So it is 100k. 100 is 2 square into 5 square. Remaining it is 2 cube. It will be 3 power 4. it will be 5 power 1. These are the numbers which are getting multiplied by 100, and therefore the last two digits are 0 zeros. So what will be the answer for this one? 0 to 3 4 cases, 0 to 4 5 cases, 0 to 1 2 cases. 22s are totally 40 factors are there whose last two digits are 0 zeros. 40 factors are there whose last two digits are 0 zeros, whose unit digit is 0, whose last two digits are zeros. I hope the idea it is very clear. Suppose if we ask a question, factors whose last digit has only one zeros, only one zero, okay. Factors whose factors which has exactly one zero at the end, factors which has exactly 1 0 at the end, exactly 1 0 at the end, factors which has exactly 1 0 at the end. Sir, what is the difference between this question and this question? Please think and tell me. Please think and tell me what is the difference between these two questions. Factors whose unit digit is 0. If one digit is 0, it can be 10, it can be 20, it can be 30, it can be 100, it can be 200, it can be 1000 and so on. But I want exactly 1 0. I want exactly 1 0. Exactly 1 0. That means it is factors which are multiples of 10. Subtract the factors which are multiples of 100. Because if I subtract the factors which are multiples of 100, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, everything will go away. See here, factors which are multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 100, 110, 120, 200 and so on. These are the total factors which are multiples of 10. If I delete the factors which are multiples of 100, all of them has got exactly 1 0 at the end. Factors which has got exactly 1 0 at the end is total factors which are multiples of 10 minus factors which are multiples of 100. Factors which has exactly 1 0 at the end is factors which are multiples of 10 minus factors which are multiples of 100. I hope this example will give a very good understanding of this concept. Suppose if the same question is factors which has exactly last two zeros at the end, factors which has exactly last two zeros at the end, exact last two zeros means, suppose if the same question is exactly last two zero, exactly last two digits is 0. It is factors which are multiples of 100 minus factors which are multiples of 1000. I hope the concept it is clear. Factors which has got exactly two digits is 0. Very, very good question. This kind of questions regularly come in your various examination. I hope the idea it is clear. Suppose if the question is, there is a student who asked me a question, factors which has no zeros at the end. No zeros at the end is total factors minus factors which has at least 1 0 at the end. Same like what we did for a perfect square and a non-perfect square. Total factors minus factors whose unit digit is 0 will eliminate all the factors where the unit digit is 0. I hope the concept it is clear.